Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite tech whisperer. You know, we've talked about tech on land, tech in the sky, and tech in the vast expanse of space. But today, we're flipping the script and going somewhere we've never ventured before. We're taking a wild ride to the center of the Earth. We're about to embark on an incredible journey that's hotter than your latest GPU and more pressurized than your final exams. We're diving deep into the mysteries of our planet's core. We're talking molten metal, magnetic fields, and seismic waves that make your subwoofer look like a kiddie toy. But before we start our epic journey to the center of the Earth, let's play a quick game. I'm gonna drop a fact bomb on you, and I want you to guess if it's true or false. Ready? Here it is. The Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun. What do you think? True or false? Give it a moment. Got your answer? Well, believe it or not, it's true. The Earth's core is a scorching hot ball of iron and nickel that reaches temperatures up to 5,700 degrees Celsius. That's as hot as the surface of the sun. Crazy, right? But here's the real kicker. Even though it's right under our feet, we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own planet's core. Why? Because getting to the Earth's core is like trying to land a spaceship on the sun. It's just too hot and high pressure for any tech we've got right now. But don't worry, we're not totally in the dark. Thanks to some super smart scientists and some seriously cool tech, we're starting to uncover the secrets of this mysterious, molten world. So, are you ready to dive in and discover how we're probing the heart of our planet? Let's do this! So, our Earth, this big beautiful ball we're living on, it's not just a solid chunk of rock. Nah, it's more like a giant, cosmic Cadbury egg. You know, with layers. So, imagine you're biting into that egg. The first layer, that's the crust. That's where we live, along with all the mountains, oceans, and everything else you see around you. It's like the chocolate shell of our Cadbury egg. Next, we've got the mantle. This is the biggest layer, and it's made up of super hot, semi-solid rock. It's like the gooey caramel center. But instead of being delicious, it's just really, really hot. Now, here's where things get interesting. As we go deeper, we hit the outer core. This is a sea of super hot liquid metal. Liquid metal. It's like the surprise cream filling inside our Cadbury egg. And finally, at the very center, we've got the inner core. This is a solid ball of iron and nickel, and it's under so much pressure that, even though it's as hot as the sun, it stays solid. It's like the yolk at the center of our egg. So, why do we care about all these layers? Well, the core is like the engine of our planet. It's what drives things like volcanoes, earthquakes, and even our magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. So, understanding the core is key to understanding our planet. Okay, so we've got this super hot, super pressurized ball of metal at the center of our planet. And we want to study it. Easy, right? Just send a probe down there, or maybe do a little drilling. Well, not so fast, tech fam. You see, studying the Earth's core is like trying to study a dragon in its lair. It's hot, it's dangerous, and it's really, really hard to get to. In fact, it's one of the most challenging places to reach on our entire planet. First off, there's the distance. The Earth's core is about 3,000 kilometers below the surface. That's further than the distance from LA to New York. And we're not talking about a nice, smooth road trip. We're talking about drilling through solid rock, under extreme heat and pressure. And speaking of heat and pressure, let's talk about conditions down there. The core is as hot as the surface of the sun, remember? And the pressure is over 3 million times greater than at the surface. That's like having 20 jumbo jets piled on top of you. Not exactly a friendly environment for a probe. So, we've never been able to send a probe or drill anywhere near the core. The deepest we've ever drilled is the Kola superdeep borehole in Russia, and that only got about 0.2% of the way to the core. We can't exactly take a field trip to the Earth's core. But that doesn't mean we can't study it. We've got some seriously cool tech that lets us peek inside our planet without leaving the surface. It's like having X-ray vision, but for the Earth. First up, we've got seismic wave studies. Now, you might be thinking, seismic? Like earthquakes? And you'd be totally right. When an earthquake happens, it sends out waves of energy that travel through the Earth. By studying how these waves change as they travel, scientists can get a picture of what's inside the Earth. It's like taking an ultrasound of our planet. Next, we've got magnetic field observations. You know how magnets have a north and a south pole? Well, so does the Earth. That's because our planet's core is like a giant magnet. By studying the Earth's magnetic field, scientists can learn about the flow of liquid metal within the outer core and how it creates and changes our magnetic field. And finally, we've got satellite measurements. Satellites in space can measure tiny changes in the Earth's gravity, which can tell us about the density and movement of material deep inside the Earth. So, even though we can't visit the Earth's core, we've got some pretty awesome tools for studying it. And these tools have helped us uncover some amazing secrets about our planet. Let's dive into some of the most mind-blowing discoveries about Earth's core that scientists have made recently. First up, did you know that there's a whole other core inside our Earth's core? Yeah, it's like one of those Russian nesting dolls, but like, planetary style. Scientists have found evidence of what they're calling the innermost inner core. This discovery is like finding a secret room in your house that you never knew existed. It's made up of the same stuff as the rest of the inner core, an iron-nickel alloy, but it's got a different crystal structure. This discovery is totally changing the way we understand the structure of our planet. Next, we've got something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. Researchers have suggested that Earth's inner core might not be solid or liquid, but something called a superionic state. Imagine a wild, whirling mix of hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon molecules, all sloshing through a grid-like lattice of iron. It's like the atoms are having a non-stop party down there. These findings are giving us clues about how our planet has evolved and changed over time. It's like Earth is telling us its life story, and we're just starting to listen. Let's talk about what these rad discoveries mean for us and our future. First off, these findings are like a treasure map for scientists in fields like geology and climate science. By understanding more about the Earth's core, we can better understand things like earthquakes and volcanic activity. It's like getting a heads up before the Earth decides to shake things up. And it's not just about what's happening here on Earth. These discoveries could also help us with space exploration. You know how we use compasses to navigate here on Earth? Well, that's all thanks to Earth's magnetic field, which is influenced by the core. So, understanding our core could help us navigate in space too. It's like getting the ultimate GPS for the galaxy. Now, let's talk about the future. Scientists are stoked to discover more about our planet, and they're using some seriously cool tech to do it. They're using data from earthquakes to study changes in the Earth's core. It's like the Earth is sending us secret messages, and we're just starting to decode them. And the best part? This is just the beginning. With advancements in technology, who knows what we'll discover next? Maybe we'll find out that the Earth's core is actually made of, like, alien metal or something. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes this so exciting. Alright, Tech Fam, we've been on quite a journey today, haven't we? We've dived into the heart of our planet, explored the mysteries of the Earth's core, and discovered the incredible tech that's helping us uncover its secrets. We've learned that even though we can't physically reach the core, we can still study it using seismic waves, magnetic field observations, and satellite measurements. And all of this without leaving the comfort of our own homes. Talk about armchair exploration. Now, if you thought this journey was as epic as I did, do me a favor and smash that like button. And don't keep all this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with your friends, your family, your pet iguana, anyone who's got a thirst for knowledge. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the Tech Guild community. We've got plenty more tech adventures coming your way. But for now, that's all from me. Remember, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep exploring. Catch you on the flip side, Tech Fam.